you hear? What do you hear?
I hear the Easter Bunny.
You do? Oh my goodness.
I guess he's near the house.
Do you think so?
Yeah, I guess he's coming in my room.
We have to go to sleep. Close your eyes.
I got your camera.
Okay, we're gonna shut it off.
Yeah, so the Easter Bunny doesn't see the queen.
Okay, because if the Easter Bunny sees the green, what do you think he'll do?
Oh no.
Do you think he'll leave? And he won't leave us that basket. We don't want that to happen. No, so let's shut this off and go to bed, okay? Okay, good night. I love you.
How do we start it off?
I'll shut it off just like this. But I love you. Okay, good night.
It is sad.
Say good night. Say happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
I love you.